As we grow older, digestion often changes in subtle ways that are easy to ignore at first. Meals that once felt light and satisfying may begin to feel heavy and uncomfortable. The stomach can feel slow to settle, with a sense of fullness that lingers longer than it used to. Bloating, gas, and mild acidity may appear even after simple, familiar meals. These symptoms often come and go, which makes them easy to dismiss. Over time, many people over 60 begin to accept this discomfort as a normal part of aging. They may adjust portion sizes, avoid certain foods, or simply live with the uneasiness without questioning it further. That is exactly where my experience began. I was not dealing with a serious medical condition, but digestion never felt calm or predictable. Eating had become something I approached cautiously rather than comfortably. I was not searching for a dramatic cure or an instant fix. What surprised me was how a simple, traditional remedy I had ignored for years helped my digestion feel noticeably steadier and more comfortable in just 7 days. That quiet improvement made me pause and pay attention. Why digestive problems become more common after 60. Aging naturally brings changes to the digestive system, and these changes affect how food is processed in the body. As we get older, the stomach produces lower amounts of digestive enzymes and stomach acid, both of which play a key role in breaking down food. When food is not broken down efficiently, it stays in the stomach and intestines longer than it should. This delay can lead to fermentation of food, resulting in gas, bloating, and discomfort. The movement of food through the intestines also slows with age. The muscles responsible for pushing food forward become less active, which can cause a feeling of heaviness or sluggish digestion. At the same time, the balance of gut bacteria shifts. Beneficial bacteria that support digestion, immunity, and nutrient absorption may decrease, while less helpful bacteria may increase. This imbalance can make the digestive system more sensitive and reactive. Lifestyle factors further add to this strain. Reduced physical activity, chronic stress, certain medications, and irregular meal timing all place additional pressure on an already sensitive digestive system. Together, these changes explain why digestive issues become more common after 60. The body is not breaking down or failing. It is simply responding to age-related changes and asking for gentler, more consistent support. The remedy I returned to: Carom seeds. Carom seeds are small, aromatic seeds that have been used for generations in traditional diets, particularly to support digestion and relieve discomfort after meals. They are commonly found in kitchens but are often overlooked or used only occasionally. For many years, I assumed that something so familiar and inexpensive could not offer meaningful support for digestion. Like many people, I believed that effective solutions had to be complex or modern. What I did not realize was that carom seeds contain natural compounds that specifically target digestive function. When prepared as warm water, these compounds are released gently and absorbed more easily by the body. This preparation makes carom seed water especially suitable for older adults, whose digestive systems tend to respond better to mild, soothing support rather than strong or aggressive remedies. Returning to this simple practice felt less like trying something new and more like rediscovering a form of care the body had been asking for. Why carom seed water supports digestion. Carom seeds contain a naturally occurring compound called thymol, which plays a central role in supporting digestion. Thymol is known for its ability to stimulate the release of digestive enzymes in the stomach. These enzymes are essential for breaking down food into smaller components so that nutrients can be absorbed properly. As we age, enzyme production naturally declines, which makes digestion slower and less efficient. By gently encouraging enzyme activity, carom seed water helps the stomach do its job more effectively without forcing or overstimulating digestion. Thymol also helps support healthy stomach acid balance. Too little stomach acid can lead to poor digestion and heaviness, while too much can cause acidity and discomfort. Carom seed water helps maintain this balance, reducing the likelihood of indigestion and excessive acidity at the same time. In addition, thymol has mild antimicrobial properties, which help limit the growth of gas-producing bacteria in the gut. This contributes to a calmer, more balanced digestive environment. Carom seeds are also classified as carminative, meaning they help relieve gas and bloating. They do this by relaxing the smooth muscles of the digestive tract. When these muscles relax, trapped gas can move through the intestines more easily instead of building up and causing pressure or pain. When carom seeds are boiled in water, their active compounds are released slowly and evenly. The result is a warm, soothing drink that is easy on the stomach and gentle on the intestines. This mild, steady action is especially important for seniors, whose digestive systems often respond better to gentle support rather than strong or aggressive remedies. Digestive benefits for seniors. With regular use, carom seed water can help reduce common digestive complaints such as bloating, gas, and a persistent feeling of heaviness after meals. By supporting enzyme activity and improving the breakdown of food, it helps prevent undigested food from fermenting in the gut, which is a major cause of gas and discomfort in older adults. Many seniors also notice a reduction in mild acidity and fewer episodes of stomach irritation. Improved digestion leads to better nutrient absorption. When the body absorbs vitamins, minerals, and energy-producing nutrients more efficiently, overall energy levels often improve and feelings of fatigue may lessen. A calmer digestive system also places less stress on the nervous system, which can positively influence sleep quality and mental comfort. Over time, these small but consistent improvements can make daily activities feel easier, support independence, and enhance overall quality of life. What I personally noticed over 7 days. Within the first few days, digestion began to feel noticeably lighter. Meals no longer created the same heavy or pressured feeling in the stomach. Bloating started to reduce gradually, and gas became less frequent and less uncomfortable. By the middle of the week, eating felt more relaxed rather than something to approach with caution. By the end of 7 days, digestion felt more predictable and settled. There was no sudden or dramatic change, but the steady improvement made it feel reliable and sustainable. The most meaningful change was the sense of calm in the digestive system. Eating no longer felt like a burden, and the body seemed to respond more comfortably to meals. That quiet sense of balance was what made this simple habit feel truly supportive rather than temporary. The science behind the experience. Scientific research on carminative herbs strongly supports the digestive benefits of carom seeds. Carom seeds contain thymol, a bioactive compound that has been studied for its role in improving digestive efficiency. Thymol stimulates the secretion of digestive enzymes in the stomach and small intestine, which helps food break down more completely. This is especially important for older adults, as enzyme production naturally declines with age, leading to slower digestion and increased discomfort. Research also shows that thymol helps reduce microbial imbalance in the gut. When digestion is weak, undigested food can ferment and encourage the growth of gas-producing bacteria. By limiting this microbial overgrowth, carom seed water helps reduce bloating and abdominal pressure. In addition, thymol has mild antispasmodic effects, meaning it relaxes the intestinal muscles and helps reduce cramping and discomfort. Studies further indicate that gentle digestive stimulants are particularly beneficial for older adults. Harsh laxatives, strong antacids, or aggressive remedies can irritate the gut lining and disrupt natural digestive rhythms. In contrast, mild herbal support works with the body rather than against it. Carom seed water restores digestive balance instead of forcing rapid change. This explains why many people notice gradual but meaningful improvement within days when it is used consistently. Benefits of carom seed water. One of the primary benefits of carom seed water is improved digestion. It supports proper breakdown of food, reducing the heaviness and fullness that often follow meals in older adults. By improving enzyme activity, it helps prevent food from sitting too long in the stomach and intestines. Carom seed water is particularly effective in reducing bloating and gas. Its carminative properties help relax the digestive tract, allowing trapped gas to pass more easily and reducing abdominal discomfort. This can significantly improve comfort after meals. Another important benefit is reduced acidity and indigestion. By supporting healthy stomach acid balance, carom seed water helps prevent both insufficient digestion and excessive acidity. Many seniors notice fewer episodes of heartburn or stomach irritation with regular use. Carom seed water also supports better nutrient absorption. When digestion improves, the body is able to absorb vitamins, minerals, and energy-producing nutrients more efficiently. This often leads to improved energy levels and reduced fatigue. A calmer digestive system also supports better sleep and overall comfort. Digestive discomfort is a common cause of disturbed sleep in older adults. By reducing internal stress, carom seed water can contribute indirectly to more restful nights and better daily functioning. How to use carom seed water correctly. Take half a teaspoon of carom seeds. Add the seeds to 1 glass of clean drinking water. Boil the mixture for 5 to 10 minutes. Allow it to cool slightly until warm. Drink once daily, preferably in the morning or after a heavy meal. Using more than the recommended amount does not improve results and may irritate digestion. Gentle, regular use is the most effective approach. Who can benefit the most? Carom seed water may be especially helpful for seniors who experience bloating, gas, indigestion, acidity, or slow digestion. It is well suited for individuals whose digestive system has weakened with age and who notice discomfort after meals. It is also beneficial for those who prefer a food-based, traditional approach to health rather than relying on multiple supplements. Seniors who feel overwhelmed by complex health routines may find this simple habit easier to maintain and more sustainable over time. Who should be careful? Individuals with stomach ulcers, severe acid reflux, inflammatory bowel conditions, or other significant gastrointestinal disorders should consult a healthcare professional before using carom seed water regularly. Pregnant individuals should also seek medical advice. Carom seed water is a supportive dietary habit, not a medical treatment. It should not replace professional medical evaluation, prescribed medication, or ongoing care when required. The real truth about results. Carom seed water is not a miracle cure, and it does not produce instant results. Its benefits are gradual and depend on consistency. The strongest results occur when it is combined with mindful eating, smaller portion sizes, adequate hydration, and relaxed meal times. Digestive healing takes time. Small, gentle habits practiced daily often bring the most lasting improvements, especially for older adults whose bodies respond best to steady, low-stress support. As we age, the body does not need harsh solutions or complicated routines. It needs patience, consistency, and gentle care. Returning to simple, time-tested practices often brings more comfort than modern complexity. Supporting digestion calmly and consistently can make daily life feel lighter, more comfortable, and more enjoyable. If you are over 60 and digestion has been troubling you, would you consider trying carom seed water for 7 days and simply observing how your body responds? Comment, carom seeds, if you would like more calm, senior-friendly digestive health guidance.